Now we are moving on to cash flow statement analysis, the analysis part of cash flow statement. So when we analyze income statement, we discuss that we analyze the performance. When we analyze balance sheet, we discuss that we analyze the liquidity or solvency position of the company. So in income statement, key items to look at are sales growth and profitability. That includes your GM margin, net margin, operating margin and all. And key drivers of sales growth and profitability and reasons for changes in sales growth and profitability. In position, we discuss two broad types of analysis, that is liquidity analysis and solvency analysis. And now we are moving on to cash flow statement. So cash flow statement tells you about the performance and flexibility of the company. The company's ability to keep generating enough cash to keep funding its operations and its needs and its liabilities, and its flexibility in generating the cash or in using that cash. In cash flow statement, key analysis that we performed is about the sources of cash and uses of cash, that where is cash coming from and where is it being used. So sources of cash will help us analyze whether the sources are sustainable or not, whether company will be able to keep generating cash in future or not, and uses will help us analyze whether the company is using the cash in right place and will it support growth in future or not. So these are the two key areas to look at, that is sources of cash and uses of cash. How we analyze it is the same method that we did for income statement and balance sheet. That is, we will use the similar tool. We will do common size analysis, we will do ratio analysis, we will look at historic trends, we will analyze it against competitors, so we will do competitive analysis as well. So all those tools that we used earlier for income statement and balance sheet, they will again be used here in cash flow statement. So starting with the first very basic analysis of cash flow statement, or starting with the from the very basics. First question to answer is evaluation of sources and uses of cash. That where is cash coming from and where is cash being used. So primarily there are three components in cash flow statement: cash flow from operations, cash flow from investment, and cash flow from financing activities. And these two give you net cash flow. So first important thing to note is that this net cash flow is not so important. It can be positive, it can be negative. If this net cash flow is negative, that does not necessarily mean that the company is in a problem state. And if this net cash flow is positive, that does not necessarily mean that the company is doing good, because this net cash flow can have many reasons to be positive or negative. Key point is that what is making this net cash flow positive or what is making this net cash flow negative. That is, where is actually cash coming from and where is cash being used. So when you are analyzing the sources of cash flows, first key thing to note is that where is cash coming from, whether is it from operations, investment or financing. So for any company to survive or for any company to have sustainable operations, key generator of cash should be its operations. Why does company do business activity? Company अपना पूरा business करती क्यों है? To generate money or to generate income. So that means the cash or key source of cash should be its operations. It should not be generating cash from investment or financing, but rather it should be generating most of the cash from operations. If most of the cash is coming from operations, then that is sustainable, or that is assumed to be sustainable, or that is assumed to continue in future. But if cash is not coming in from operations but coming in from any other sources like sale of equipment, sale of an asset, or maybe by borrowing money from the market, then that is not so sustainable, because there is only a limit to which you can borrow cash, or there is only a limit to which you can sell your assets to generate cash. And again, you are not in the business of borrowing money or selling asset, you are in the business of making money through your core business or operations. So core business or operations should be generating cash. So for any company, cash flow from operations should be positive and should be the main source of cash inflow. If cash flow from operations are not the main source, or if cash flow from operations are turning negative, then that is a problem for the company, and then that can question companies, even companies' future sustainability. So when you are analyzing sources, first key point to note is that where is cash coming from, and it should be major portion of the cash should be coming in from cash flow from operation. Then next is that where is cash being used, or where is the cash outflow happening. If there is a cash outflow in cash flow from operation, that is if your cash flow from operations turn negative, that means in order for company to survive or in order for company to continue operation, it has to inject more and more cash. कंपनी बिजनेस करती क्यों है? टू मेक मनी, टू मेक कैश. बट अगर कंपनी को बिजनेस करने के लिए ही कैश की जरूरत पड़ जाए, सो दैट मीन्स कंपनी इज इन अ प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज ऑपरेशन शुड बी और बिजनेस एक्टिविटी शुड बी सोर्स ऑफ कैश, not the use of cash. So if cash flow from operations turn negative, that is known as cash burn. That is a big problem. So your source uses of cash should not be so primary use of cash should not be CFO. Primary use of cash can be in investments or financing. When you are using cash in investments, that means you are investing into expansion or you are doing capital expenditure, and capital expenditure may result in future growth. So अगर major outflow cash flow from investments में हो रहा है, that can be taken as a positive sign. That is, company is investing into expansion today and it will benefit from the growth tomorrow. या major अगर cash outflow financing में हो रहा है, that is again a positive sign. Why? Because that means that company is in a position to pay off its liabilities. Company is paying back loan. As it is repaying loan, its cash outflow, we are seeing cash outflow in cash flow from financing. Or maybe company is paying dividend. अगर वो dividend भी pay करती है, that is a positive sign for the shareholders. So if these two are negative, that is not a problem. But if cash flow from operation is negative, that is a big problem. So cash flow from operations need to be positive. Other two can be or cannot be negative.